quiet.
I think someone's hit Christmas overload.
Should we please stop looking?
Make it. Quiet.
No, do not lick Wyatt.
Let.
Yeah, go ahead, lick Daddy.
No, no licking. No, don't do it.
Lick Wyatt.
No, don't lick Wyatt.
Lick Daddy.
No, don't lick Daddy or Daddy's computer. Ew. Stop it.
Lick down.
Careful with the crayon. No writing on the couch. No licking on the couch either.
So please stop licking.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, oh, no, stop it. Hey, stop standing on my bag.